Yeah, hello friends, this is Sunil Pawar here and I'm back with one more video. In today's video, we'll see demo call for tomorrow. Tomorrow it is 24th of December, it's weekly expiry for Nifty and Bank Nifty. This is the call which you are able to see on screen. I have released for tomorrow and it is already given to paid clients also. So I have released this call in social media like on my Facebook account, on my Facebook page, in Telegram channel, and now through this video I am releasing this call on YouTube also. So tomorrow we will follow these calls. So how we'll follow, how a trader is expected to do the trading on these calls, everything I will discuss in detail. There are set rules of trading these calls. See, these calls are given one day before, and how a trader is expected to trade on these calls, there are set rules. These rules were formulated just some 2-3 years back and they have not changed. Not a single rule has changed. The trader has to follow the same rule every day, and every day he can generate profit. Some days there can be a loss when the trades fall in rule number 6. If stop loss is hit on both sides, then avoid trading for the day and next day take first trade with 3 lots. If this happens, then only trader can make loss. Otherwise, all other days the trader can make profit. So before checking all the rules in detail, I will tell you, this is my Telegram channel. The channel name is Sunil Pawar Best Option Analyst. There are 3,493 subscribers. There are some fake people available on Telegram, and those people have created channels, Telegram channels in my name. So whichever were reported to me, I have taken action and those channels have been closed. But there could be some other channels also which may be available. So for the safe side, you can search Sunil Pawar Option King. In Telegram you can search Sunil Pawar Option King. If you search Sunil Pawar Option King, you will reach this channel. Just check subscribers, 3,493 subscribers. This number, because you see these fake channels can have subscribers like 50, 60, 90, but this channel is 3,493. So check the subscribers. Then everywhere you can check my profile pic also, and everywhere my contact number is written like this, 9890812070. If you find all these details, then it is the right channel and you can join it. So these calls are given for tomorrow, and let us check the rules for the calls in short, because these rules are repeating in every video. So I will quickly go through these rules. Rule number 1 is entry in trade only when call or put crosses its entry price. It means if Nifty call 13,600 crosses 61.18, then target is 84.58, stop loss 37.77. Nifty put 13,600. If crosses 55.23, then target 78.64, stop loss 31.82. So tomorrow after 9:15, after market opens, either call will cross the entry price or put will cross its entry price. So here the trader is expected to buy the option which will cross its entry price. Either it can be call option or put option, any one, not both. So any one, if call crosses entry price, put will not cross the entry price. If put crosses entry price, then call will not cross the entry price at that point of time. At 9:15 or 9:20, I am saying. Later on in the day, other option can also cross the entry price. So for Bank Nifty, you can just read the levels. If option opens with gap up, then wait for the given buy level and enter at the level. It means Nifty call 13,600. Entry is 61.18, target is 85 almost. If it opens at 70, what the trader will do? Trader will wait for 61 to come. When it comes down to 61, then trader will buy. So Nifty call 13,600, entry price is 61, target is 85 almost, and if it opens at 70, then trader will expect it to come down to 61, and there he can take the trade. But on expiry day, as per rule, there is a rule for expiry day, and that rule is on expiry day trade with 2 lots. Means the rule is the trader is expected to trade with double lots. Double lots. Why trader will trade with double lots? Because the premium is very low, and that is why even the double lot premium would be similar to one lot on normal days. So that's why double quantity is as per strategy, the trader is expected to buy double the quantity. Whichever quantity he is doing daily, he will buy double quantity. So that way, if for example Nifty call 13,600 opens at 70, then one lot he can buy at 70, other lot he can put at the price of 50. When it comes down to 50, then other lot will be bought, and his average price will be 60 to 61. So that way also a trader can buy. Double the quantity of second trade when stop loss is hit. It means if trader gets entry into Nifty call crosses 61.18, and if the trader gets entry into it, if it does not hit the target and if it hits the stop loss, then on stop loss exit the trade, trader will exit the trade, and then he will wait for put to cross the entry price. If put crosses entry price, he will enter into put with double quantity. Otherwise, if call again crosses the entry price, then he will enter into call with double quantity. So that is how the rule is. If target is hit within 2 hours, then hold trade till 3:20 p.m. Whatever target call, if the trader enters into call and if the call hits the target within 2 hours, then hold. The trader can book one lot on target, other lot he can hold till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost. So this is same rule for Nifty, Bank Nifty, both. If target is not hit and stop loss is also not hit, then carry for 1 or 2 days. This rule is for normal days, not for expiry. If stop loss is hit on both sides, then avoid trading for the day and next day take first trade with 3 lots. So here, if call also hits the stop loss, put also hits the stop loss, then avoid the trading for the day. Next day take first trade with 3 lots. But on expiry day, if third trade, if call is hitting stop loss, put is hitting stop loss, and third trade, whichever call or put, if it is activating before 1 o'clock, then trader can enter into the trade. So that way also it can be done. If pre-market calls in Nifty Express open above target, then avoid and follow live market calls in fact signal. It means, I have written here, if this option opens above targets tomorrow, then new calls at 10:15 am tomorrow. So these are pre-market calls. I am giving these calls one day before, and tomorrow if market opens with a big gap up or gap down, and if call option or put option opens above the target, then just avoid this table, avoid Nifty, avoid Bank Nifty, avoid call and put everything, and I will give the same table, new table at 10:15 am tomorrow. So that is rule. So friends, let us see what happens tomorrow. Every last expiry calls were fantastic, and they had hit the targets. So let us see what happens tomorrow. But these are my channels I have already discussed with you, and you can share these channels with all of your friends so that everybody takes benefit of these calls and this knowledge. Thanks friends, thanks for watching this video.